it's Manny from Unreal Custom Designs. Today we're going to explore some of the coolest specialty DTF films: glitter, glow-in-the-dark, pearlescent, reflective, and thermochromic. These films bring a new level of creativity to your designs, and I'm going to show you exactly how to apply them to different garments. Now let's get started. Let's start with glitter DTF film. This one's great for adding a little sparkle to your designs. I've set the heat press to 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. Now, something to keep in mind with specialty films like this, we're using the cold peel method, so you want to wait until the design cools off before peeling. There you go, a bold, glittery design that really pops. Next up is glow-in-the-dark DTF film. It's perfect for custom designs that come to life in the dark. Look at that. Glow-in-the-dark film is great for apparel that needs a little nighttime magic. Now, let's try pearlescent DTF film. This adds a soft, iridescent shimmer to your designs, perfect for adding elegance to tote bags or apparel. We'll press this for 15 seconds at 310 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at that. The pearlescent effect gives your design a subtle, elegant shine. Now, let's look at reflective DTF film. This is great for making custom safety gear or activewear more visible. We'll press this for 20 seconds at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. And once it cools, I'll show you how it reflects in the light. See how it reflects in the light? Last but not least, we've got thermochromic DTF film. This changes colors with heat. It's a fun way to add some interactive design elements to your apparel. We'll press this for 15 seconds at 320 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I'll show you how it reacts to the heat. Man, how cool is that? Thermochromic DTF adds a whole new level of creativity to your designs. And that's how you use specialty DTF films like glitter, glow-in-the-dark, pearlescent, reflective, and thermochromic to create custom designs that stand out. If you want to try them out for yourself, head over to unrealcustomdesigns.com or ilovedtf.com and use the code SPECIALFILMS15 for 15% off your order. Need blank items to decorate? Check out theblankstore.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.